Hello, my name is Kerry. I had a hernia repair, a laparoscopic, which is a keyhole surgery to repair a small uh, inguinal hernia. The whole process for me was it was just so much better than I could have imagined. I had unfortunately tried to go with the NHS and had so many delays in appointments that I felt as though I was never going to get there, and it was impacting on the quality of my life. I'm normally very active, and it was restricting what I was doing. And from my first consultation with Mrs Devalia, I knew that I was in safe hands and that she was so kind and accommodating and supportive, informed. Um, yes, the whole process was very smooth and very quick. So that was a real positive for me. I can only offer that with absolute conviction that Mrs Devalia is an extremely safe pair of hands, extremely experienced, a very good listener. So I feel as though I was heard. I think sometimes many of us non-medics feel that we get into a situation, an appointment with a doctor whereby we feel as though we don't have all the information at our fingertips, or we don't remember all the key things, and sometimes feel that medics can be patronising. She's not at all patronising. She's, as I say, a very good listener, and took on board all the points that I raised and made me feel as though it was a two-way conversation and not just yes, being told information. It was a really really supportive procedure in terms of all the appointments I had and the follow-up phone call and emails, and yeah, I have nothing but praise.